look at the cellular activity in this layer.
The migration rate seems consistent with the samples we analyzed yesterday.
Human skin cells are used in medical research to study healing, disease, and cosmetic safety.
This is a biomedical research facility dedicated to studying and processing human skin cells.
All samples are collected ethically and handled under strict medical regulations.
To understand this process, we first need to see where these skin cells come from.
Most human skin cells used in research come from routine medical procedures and dermatology clinics.
All right, just a quick swab of this area. You'll feel a little pressure, but it's completely painless.
These samples are carefully sealed and labeled to ensure safety and traceability.
All samples are collected with informed consent and strict ethical oversight. From here, the samples are prepared for scientific processing.
Every day, laboratories like this process human skin cells to support medical and cosmetic research.
Inside the lab, skin samples are processed under strictly controlled sterile conditions. The cells are examined at a microscopic level to assess quality and viability.
The robotic arm is now analyzing the metabolic activity of the engineered cells in real time.
Once processed, these cells are ready for medical and cosmetic research applications.
Processed skin cells play a critical role in modern medical and cosmetic research.
As you can see, the regeneration rate significantly increases when exposed to the compound.
Yes, the visualization clearly shows accelerated mitosis here.
Cosmetic products are tested on skin cells to ensure safety without human trials. Cosmetic products are tested on skin cells to ensure safety without human trials.
The biomarker co-localization in this sample is remarkable.
Yes, and the p-value on the assay is significantly lower than the control group.
In medicine, these cells help test new therapies before they reach patients.
After research is complete, the data and samples are carefully archived. After research is complete, the data and samples are carefully archived.
After research is complete, The data and samples are carefully archived.
Many skin cell studies require extended observation over time.
Once verified, research data is securely archived for future study.
If you look at this graph, the correlation is clear.
I agree. We should proceed with the next phase.
After research and verification, all samples are stored under carefully controlled conditions.
Strict oversight ensures every step meets medical and ethical standards.
Behind the science are teams committed to responsibility, safety, and discovery.
From donated skin cells to scientific insight, this is how modern biomedical research works.
This is the journey of human skin cells in medical and cosmetic research.